Hey everyone! I hope you're all doing well and staying safe. Today we're back with some exciting updates about the WCoin. A big announcement dropped today. On the 27th of October, there's going to be a snapshot. Now what's a snapshot, you ask? It's essentially a capture of your account details, including your wallet information. The team will take this snapshot to know your account status, ensuring they're aware of your holdings at the time of distribution. This means they'll know exactly how much WCoin you're eligible to receive during the airdrop. Before we dive in, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, you'll find the link in the description. I regularly post puzzle solutions, updates, and all the projects we're working on. Right now, we have 4 to 5 projects launching this month, and we also have a chat channel where you can ask questions and interact. So let's get into the details the WCoin team has shared to help you prepare for the snapshot. These points are super important to ensure you're ready for the airdrop. Step 1. Verify your account. First things first, your account needs to be verified. If you're unsure whether your account is verified, I'll walk you through the process. Your TON wallet must be connected since WCoin will be distributed on the TON network. To verify, log into your account. Then tap on the wallet icon. If you see the blue verified checkmark next to your account, you're good to go. But if you don't have this checkmark, don't worry. You just need to connect your wallet. If you're using the Telegram wallet, make sure it's linked. If isn't available in your country, you can use TonKeeper instead. Once connected, you'll see a message confirming that your account has been verified. It's that easy. Now you've completed the first step, verifying your account and connecting your TON wallet. Step 2. Complete daily tasks. Next up, the team has emphasized the importance of completing daily tasks for at least 10 days. Don't worry, there are still 25 days to go, so if you start today, you'll be all set. To access your tasks, simply click on the Tasks section. Here, you'll see a list of daily tasks. Every day, make sure to claim every task as soon as it's available. Stay active and complete them regularly to secure a bigger share of the airdrop. Step 3. Claim more than 10 stakes. This one's crucial, so pay attention. You need to have claimed at least 10 stakes. To stake, click on Staking in your account. You'll see an option to stake at least 3 times. The minimum number of days you can stake is 3, so aim for that. If you complete this 3 times in one day, then repeat it for 3 days, you'll have reached 9 stakes. By the 4th day, you'll hit your goal of 12 stakes, which exceeds the 10 required. Here's how it works. Click Stake, choose 3 days as your staking period, and pick the minimum stake amount, 0.25 or 25%. Repeat this process 2 more times. After 3 successful stakes, you'll be done for the day. Once the 3-day period ends, you'll repeat this process to hit 9 to 12 stakes in total. Step 4. Stay active and complete tasks regularly. In addition to staking, you need to stay active by completing regular tasks. These could be anything, like a retweet task on Twitter. Simply follow the instructions, return to the platform, and hit verify. If it doesn't work immediately, give it a minute and try again. Keep at it until you've successfully verified the task. Step 5. Active referrals. Finally, active referrals can boost your rewards. But don't worry if you don't have any. It's not mandatory. The more tasks and staking activities you complete, the higher your airdrop percentage will be. Referrals are just a bonus, and there you have it. That's everything you need to know to get ready for the WCoin snapshot on the 27th of October. Make sure to stay on top of your tasks and staking to maximize your airdrop rewards. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.